How to fix average antivirus error 0xE001D026. Solutions.
What is average antivirus error 0xE001D026? Overview of the error. Common causes, such as incomplete installation, corrupted files, or software conflicts.
Solution 1. Restart your computer. Explanation of why restarting can resolve temporary issues. Steps. Close all running applications. Restart your computer. Attempt to reinstall average antivirus. Solution 2. Ensure system compatibility. Check system requirements for average antivirus. Steps. Verify your system meets the minimum requirements. Update your operating system if necessary. Try installing average antivirus again. Solution 3. Disable conflicting software. List common software that may conflict with average, other antivirus programs, firewall software. Steps. Uninstall or temporarily disable conflicting software. Restart your computer. Reattempt the installation. Solution 4. Perform a clean installation. Instructions to remove all previous average files. Steps. Download Average Clear and Average Remover tools from the Average website. Run both tools to completely remove all average files. Restart your computer. Download the latest version of Average Antivirus and install it. Solution 5. Update Windows and drivers. Explanation of how outdated systems or drivers can cause errors. Steps. Update your Windows operating system. Check for and update any outdated drivers. Try installing Average Antivirus again. Solution 6. Check for malware. Explanation of how malware might prevent installation. Steps. Use a trusted anti-malware tool to scan your system. Remove any detected threats. Reattempt the installation of Average Antivirus.
Solution 7. Contact Average Customer Support. When to reach out to Average Support for further assistance. Call Average Customer Support number 1-800-319-0494. Visit the Average Support website for more detailed help. Need more help? Mention that professional support is available. Call Average Premium Support for personalized assistance. Thank the audience for their time.